Hey, hello guys, this is Modification here. How are you all doing? And welcome back to my channel. And so today we are gonna install these lever protectors, and I bought this on Amazon recently, and we're gonna install this on this R15V4, and let's check how it looks. Let's go. Firstly, we just have to. We actually need that Allen key, and 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 we just need this one. This a little bit hard. Yeah, it's out. Firstly, we should remove this the stock one. Can you see? It is actually defaultly loose like this since we bought.
Three weeks later.
My mirror shows the other side of me. All these ones and zeros, nothing in between. But there's so much more to me than eyes can see. Than eyes can see. I'm not binary. My mirror shows the other side of me. All these ones and zeros, nothing in between. But there's so much more to me than eyes can see.
Oh my god, this is stupid. So finally guys, this is my first modification on my R15V4. It added some more stylishness on my bike with this levers protector, which is carbon fiber. Looks dope, and it is giving to the rider more feel to the rider. Of course, to me, it has more good looking, and one more good looking thing is carbon fiber. Actually, I love carbon fiber look. It is some kind of rich look. And now it's time to see some cinematic shots of these levers protectors.
Come to the garden, darling, I will wait for you. Here I will sit till morning like true lovers do. Come to the garden, darling, I will wait for you. Here I will sit till morning like true lovers do. Come to the garden, darling, I will wait for you. Here I will sit till morning like true lovers do. Wait for you. Wait for you. Wait for you.
So guys, hope you enjoyed the cinematic shots of lever protectors. I hope you enjoyed it. And so yeah, so that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button below, and please comment about the vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this with R15V4. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Spread love and peace.